Nice one. Good job, everyone.
SpaceX.
Okay, are we all good now? Wait. Objectives first. So what are we gonna do? Casual roaming, chest hunting, right? Ganun muna.
SpaceX
Since
dito,
there is
4.
no objectives.
Brando.
Ano yan?
SpaceX, Gali.
2 minutes, just open. Tapos 1 hour pa yun.
Saan yun? Ah, sa mga ano?
Mag-spawn pa lang yung mga chest.
Okay, we're gonna do casual roaming, I guess. Alright, let's start
Okay.
now.
5-9
Yung
dito.
Gali?
Sa Gali, 5-9.
Naglalaban ba sila?
Hindi.
Konti lang. Tapos na.
Tapos na. Anong ikot natin yan? Baka may suggestion kayo, Pai. Anong rotation natin?
Dito sa amin na, ito ina-atake na si Ben
Oy,
eh.
init kami,
Hello,
init kami,
guys.
init kami.
Saan yan?
Gali.
Gali.
Okay, boys, gali now. Gali now. No need for invis. Yeah, they're getting
Ben, ito.
our man are already
Ben.
fighting.
Here.
Average IP, 1k only.
Patay na si Ben eh. Ano ba yan?
Patay si Bene.
Okay lang.
Okay. Ping on my ping here. Here.
Kabila pala.
Here. Okay. They're mounting up already. They're gone. Wala na. Gear ka na lang. Oh, got one. Nice one. Nice one. This one. Oh my god. Ay. Bene, makakakonect ka pa?
Oh.
Ang asim mo, Ben.
Asim mo kasi, yan. SpaceX here, they're outlaws, guys. How about we chase them? 1 to average, very easy. Okay? Okay, catch them. Cut them. SpaceX. I like these guys. They're donating.
What the fuck?
They're donating well.
Where are these motherfuckers?
Tangina mo. Naiipit ako. Cut them. Ping mo lang pa, sundan mo. Maabutan mo yun. Naka ano lang sila.
May ping.